Hi guys, it's me, Bella, and Isaac. And we're doing pretty good. And Isaac is right now doing his
I don't know what the fuck all that was.
night snuggle with me. And he's the best dog ever. He's like, stop it. And he is just the best dog ever. Yeah. Stop. Yes, stop. And we're doing good so far. And then I wish I could show you like Ellie, but I can't. Oh. Do you want Mommy? Okay, get to Mommy. No, do not punch him in the head. Now, again. Good boy. And, oh my God. Isaac and me are doing pretty good. So bye.